In today's video, I'm going to teach you vertical video in Squarespace tutorial, how to change the video block ratio in Squarespace. If you're working with Reels, Shorts, or any vertical clip and want it to look great on your site, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to place a video block and adjust its aspect ratio so it reads as vertical on the page. First, open your Squarespace website and head to the page where you want the video to appear. Enter Edit mode so you can make changes to the layout. Click into the area that's highlighted when you hover. This is where Squarespace lets you add content, and choose to add a new block. From the block picker, select Video. You'll see a placeholder appear. Click the highlighted video area to open the block settings. Then choose Add a video to pick your source. Here you have two common options. If your clip is already in your site's library, click Select from Library. Pick the video you want and confirm. If you're aiming for a vertical look, choose a clip that was recorded in portrait, ideally 1080 by 1920, for the best clarity on mobile. If the dialog highlights a Confirm button, click it to insert the video. Alternatively, if your video lives on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, click Add a video again and choose Add from Link. Paste the shareable URL into the field that appears, then confirm. Make sure the link is publicly viewable or unlisted, not private, so Squarespace can display it. Once the video is placed on the page, adjust its proportions. Click the video block, and you'll see a small square handle at the corner. Drag that handle to reshape the block. Pulling inward makes it taller and narrower. Pulling outward makes it wider. For a classic vertical feel, aim for a 9:16 look, tall and slim, so it matches what people expect from mobile-first videos. Keep an eye on your subject as you drag to avoid awkward cropping, and use the on-screen guides to keep the layout balanced. If the editor highlights alignment or design options, click those to center the block or fine-tune